Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be flipping through two new sticker books from the Happy Planner, Teeny Florals and Fresh Botanicals. So if you're a floral lover, you're going to want to stick around and see what's inside these books. Okay, so if you did not know, there is a very large spring release coming on Tuesday, February 22nd at 9 a.m. Pacific time. And everything's so cute, you guys. This release is one of the best ones I've seen in a while. I don't say that every time. Like, they're always good, but this one just really speaks to me. So I'm excited to flip through these two new floral sticker books. And I haven't really looked in them yet. I just kind of glance at them. I like to do it sort of with you guys so you can see my natural reactions to the stickers, the first impressions, so to speak. I do have some codes for you. So the more you, spend, the more you're going to save. And I'm going to be shopping as well. If you wouldn't mind using my affiliate link, it's going to be in the description box. It's in all the description boxes in my videos, but I would love it if you'd use that. It doesn't cost you anything. You click on it and then it just takes you to the page and you shop as normal, but I do get a little bit of a commission from you. So I appreciate that. It's just a good way to help me out because I tend to take a lot of time and it's kind of stressful preparing all this content when there's a release. Don't get me wrong. I'm super grateful that I got all this free stuff in the mail. Like, come on, who wouldn't be? But it is a lot of work too. So I thank you for that. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to look at Teeny Florals first. This is a big sticker book, but don't get caught up in that, you guys. Just because it's for a big happy planner does not mean you can't use it in other planners or all the planners. Like, don't think about that. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Look at these florals. These are so pretty. These are so me. Don't you agree? That's my favorite. No, that one. Oh, they're so pretty. Okay, those are clear. Really cute. Okay. Believe in the good. Flowers are always a good idea. Yeah, they are. Be like a flower and reach for the sun. We've got some pretty decorative circles here. Look at these. I like to layer these on top of each other or on top of like other stickers or behind other stickers. Like, they're really good for layering these circles. Look at these. The same florals in those pretty colors, but these are like little strip stickers that you can put wherever you need just a little line of flowers in your planner. So pretty. Got some gold foil on here. Believe in the good, beauty's all around, happiness blooms from within. Really pretty. Okay, this is a cool color palette. Review, reschedule, remember, focus on. If you guys are new and you don't know why I read these, it's because some people have some problems with their vision and it's hard for them to see it on the screen. So I do try to help those people out, which is why I read a lot of them. I don't read all of them because it would take forever, but I try. You are the creator of your own happiness. Bloom and grow, be strong, and know you're beautiful you. That's cute. Again, a great layering sticker right here. Dream, plan, dream, plan. All right. Look, we've got some long box stickers. Love those. Very useful. Triangles here. And then these are for your monthly, but you don't need to use them for your monthly. You could even pop these ones right on top of that corner, you know what I mean? And cover that up if you want. One happy life. There's always a reason to smile. Just some functional stickers combined with decorative stickers. It's a cool color palette. I like this. I love the light blue. Like, I'm a big fan of light blue in general and definitely in my planner. Some more monthly ones here. And then these are more florals, but these ones have rose gold on them, which is kind of cool. These leaves are completely rose gold. Okay, you know I love these kind of stickers, right? At least I hope you do. They're always skinnier than what they look like, so this is how big they actually are, you know? So it's going to look skinnier than actually what's on the page. Very important. Top 3. All those. Ooh, more of these. These are clear. And then, ooh, look at these. So we have like to-do list strip stickers. and they're like little flowers in between. I think that's pretty. I've never seen that. Okay, so some gold foil quotes with the florals. There's always a reason to smile. Be kind to you. Oh, and by the way, if you don't want to use the quotes, you can always like cut out the florals. Do you know what I mean? Like, or if you don't want to use the florals, you can always cut out the quotes. Say you really like this quote, you hate the florals, just cut it out. Same with like, say you really like these flowers, cut out the quote. You could even like, and you could do it with an X-Acto, but you could even like cut this part out and then use this as like a box sticker on your page. You know what I mean? Just be creative. Okay, so we have functional stickers here. Priority, remember. A lot of monthly boxes in this one, which is good. It's all right. Okay, priority, important day off, fun day. Some gold foil boxes with those pretty florals. And they're teeny florals, that's what it's called. Okay, circles. You can always use those, especially for covering those monthly box corners. So you can use one of these, they're big enough. And then we have some corner stickers here. Really pretty. They're really pretty. I like them. This color, okay, so which sticker book is that? Marabou Design. That, I think it has like that exact, these colors in it. You can use those with like your Marabou Design spreads. Same with this one. I think that will go well. I'd have to look again, but I think so. These are neat. Look at this. It's like whole wildflower fields, you guys. Those are cool. They're corners, like these are corner stickers. So that's meant to go pop it in the corner of your spread. I like those. Like, I know they're busy, but it's the kind of busy I don't mind. Do you know what I mean? Really cool. So we have just these cool, look at, they're just pretty, right? Just a really cool design. And I don't mind these ones at all. If you mind them, I always try to give you ideas when I'm flipping through these sticker books, because I feel like that's needed sometimes, you know, so that you can see how it would work for you. Because I feel like sometimes you're looking at it and you're thinking, I hate those. I like regular box stickers, you know. Here's what you could do. So you could basically take this, okay. You can cut across here. Then you can cut this part out and you can put it across. Like this one isn't gonna fit all the way across, but then you could take a piece of this and keep going with it. So that's gonna give you the look of a full floral box that doesn't have the point on the bottom if it's something that you don't like. I don't mind these ones. I kind of like them sometimes, but that's just an idea. Another thing you can do, which I don't think I ever did that I just thought of now. I don't know how that would be. I'm just thinking outside the box here. Like, what if you did? You match, but then you have that. I don't know. You know what I mean? You can do it this way. Right? That's kind of cool. And you could do a bunch of them in like a cluster. Ooh, I like that idea. I hope I remember that later. It's been a long day. Okay. More of these pretty florals, you guys. Clear floral stickers. Really nice. Functional. I love pink. I love it. I'm painting my office pink, just saying. Gold foil florals, not my favorite, but sometimes they come in handy, right? And hey, if you're a fan of foils, like I know a lot of people are, so I'm not dissing you. I'm just saying. Okay, so this is like rose gold foil, and like these are so cool. These are really cool. So these are not like a perfect square. Like look at the edge. That's really neat. I think they're fun. You can go just like crazy teeny florals wild in your spreads. Look at these. Those are really fun. Okay. So that's a cool sticker book. I like it. All right, next up we have Fresh Botanicals. This is a different vibe altogether. Yeah, just like a whole different feel. This is more moody. There's some darks, some black colors in here. Not black colors, there's some black in here. Let yourself grow. Seek beauty in all things. The world needs what you carry. These are really pretty. So that was a little more whimsical, and this is a little more realistic, you know? So, I mean, it depends on your style. I like both in different situations. Look, some of these have bulbs. That's interesting. So these are on clear sticker paper, and like this is what they look like. When they go down onto white paper, they're really gonna pop. So it's gonna be really dark. That's why I like the clear ones sometimes, because they're like so, you know, pigmented when they go down on the page. Okay, so these are also on clear. Definitely more realistic flowers here. Some really pretty boxes. I like these colors. I like this color. This is almost the color of my laundry room currently that we just painted. Fun fact. Ooh, look at this page. What are these? What are these? I always like to hunt for it. What is it? Okay, it's strips. Oh, it's a baby strip. Wait, I gotta let the dog out. Really, Bumble? I'm busy. All right, hang on. Don't get muddy. All right, so these I think are all strips. Oh no. Yeah, I think they might be different. Yeah, they're different lengths. See, this one keeps going. They're different lengths, but that's really pretty. You could even cut out like different shapes of it. You don't have to use those, but it'd be tricky to get it off the page. You'd have to piece it together like a little puzzle, you know? I don't know if it would be hard to do, but it would be cool. Ooh, look at these. A lot of these have like really thin gold foil box around the inside, which is like it seems very sophisticated when they do that, right? Just a little bit more, I don't know, a little more fancy. I'm not like a huge purple fan, but I am digging the purple and the green together. Like these two colors are really nice. I don't know, I like it. Okay. And look, we've got 3 different colors of green and we've got 3 different colors of purple. I think that's pretty cool. Some monthly boxes here. These are circles. Little baby circles to do ASAP, take note, me time. And then these are your boxes that are curved on the bottom. Again, you can always cut these down if you need to. Or if you don't want to use the box, you can cut around this and put it somewhere else, you know? Just do what you need to do to make it work for you. I like this like really soft green color behind it. I think that's pretty cool. Ooh, these are fun. They're almost like jungly a little. They're on paper. Gold foil quotes, live life in full bloom, wild and beautiful today. Oh, these are pretty. Look at that. That's beautiful. Yeah, I really like these colors together. Like, they're so nice. That's like so descriptive. They're so nice. Good one. So some more boxes that have the curved bottoms. Now, I don't hate them. I like it better than the ones that are curved on the top. But I use these sometimes. I do. I prefer a straight edge box, but I do use them. And you can make it work. You could cover it with something. You could, again, you could do lots of stuff. Okay. So these are the ones I don't love. I will be honest. I'm not going to come on here and tell you every single sticker is like the cutest thing ever and it's for me, you know, because it's like, listen, I love the Happy Planner stickers not more than anybody else, but I love them, right? But what you have to understand is not every sticker book is going to be like my favorite and for me, and not every sticker book is going to be your favorite and for you. That's why there's such a variety of different styles and different types of stickers and stuff, because there's something for everyone. So, you know, I don't hate any stickers, of course, but these are clear, by the way. But like, I just feel like I need to kind of be honest sometimes that it's just not like my favorite style, but it might be yours. So don't ever like let me make you feel bad if I'm just like, oh, I don't like these that much. No, because that's just my personal preference and you have your personal preference. And they wouldn't make stickers like this if nobody liked them, because everyone likes different things. That's all I'm saying. I don't know why I just ranted about that, but yeah, because like I'm not gonna be like, oh my gosh, that's cute, I'm gonna use that. Oh my gosh, that's cute, I'm gonna use that. I mean, the majority of it is extremely cute, which is why I keep saying that. But you know, sometimes I'll just be honest and say like that's not exactly, you know, my jam, but it's it's someone else's jam. So we have some functional stickers here and some circles. That being said, I'd say about 90% of the stickers are my jam. You know what I mean? Like, so at least 90. I'd say 95 probably, you know. Maybe not paper glitter, just saying. Happy planner. Sorry. Sorry, no, not sorry. Really cute color combo here. And then we get into some peaches and like oranges. Lots of bullet points. Seek beauty in all things. Really pretty. Some more of the curves. Really pretty pastel colors here. And then another page of these, right? These are kind of cool. I think it's another strip. Yeah, they're all strips, looks like. Ooh, love these. Look at these. They have like, now, we talked about before how I don't love foils, but I do love foils in certain situations. And this is one of them. So these boxes, I mean, these like circles have like this really thin gold foil line around the edge. Now, would I like them without that? Yeah. But do I like them with it? I love them with it. I prefer them with that because I think that's so cool. It's like it takes them to another level, right? It just like I don't know. I like it with that. So that's like when I love foils, that's when I love foils. Or if there's like florals with like little like confetti foils, like I love that. These are pretty and very functional. Just little header, you know, stickers, little flags. Perfect color combo here, in my opinion. I think that's so pretty. Okay. So let me know in the comments below, which was your favorite? Was it Fresh Botanicals or was it Teeny Florals? I'm going to choose Teeny Florals only because it's a little more whimsical. So it's a little more my vibe, but honestly, I think both of these sticker books are really gorgeous and I'm going to use the heck out of both of them. So, yeah, so happy shopping and check out my other flip throughs and also check out the flip throughs of the other squad members and mentors because they get different things than I do. All right. Have a good day, everyone. See ya. Bye.